Hi guys, this is Khalid Saifuddin. Here I'm with Crude Oil and Gold call for Monday, which is 22nd August. Right in front of you is the crude oil 4 hours chart. And in this call, I'm trying to make you understand the call with the help of chart. It is more easier to trade in these market with the help of chart. So what we do is, first of all, we draw the horizontal lines as per the given levels. We'll look into the closing price, which is 89.87. So I picked the three levels below 89.87 and three levels above 89.87. So the above levels are resistances, and the levels below 89.87 are the support level. Now let's read the call. Crude is still exhausted. What does it mean? The overall situation is exhausted, the prevailing trend. Recovery in closed week is more correction of this slide. So we have seen some recovery in last couple of sessions, which is not important because the prevailing trend is still supporting bears. And we already experienced the last session when crude exhausted after the achieving the target of 91.45, which was a given target for a long trade. So right now it is closed with the exhaustion. So what is suggested here, the recommendation is going short below 89.65. You can see a red arrow there. It is a thicker line. If you look at 89.65, it's a thicker horizontal line. If crude is trading below this level, we'll go short. And then our target will be 88.15. Although we have one level, 88.85 also. So the immediate target would be 88.85. And while chasing 88.15, we'll trail our stop loss below 88.85. In this call, you won't see the stop loss because here we are recommending both trades, the short and the short on the strength. So what happened if it moves up above, 90.45, 90.65, we'll look for the possibility of short on the strength. And we see short on the strength below 91.60. So if it exhausts between 90.65 and 91.60, we'll plan our short on the strength with the stop loss above 93.10 or 91.75 is the appropriate stop loss. Forget about 93.10 because we'll be going, the 93.10 is the target of our long. Here we are also recommending a long, which is not in the call, but on chart, I'm trying to show you if it happens, you find it sustaining above 91.75, you can think of going long for targeting 93.10. Let's come back to the actual possibility. More what I'm expecting is short by trading below 89.65. So you can go short below 89.65 or below 91.60, you can plan short on the strength. The target is 88.15. And while going short, when it starts moving in your direction, you do not ignore trailing your stop loss. So basically, crude, the overall situation supporting bears. I hope this call will help you. The important levels are bold and given on chart, and with the help of these lines, you can better understand the momentum of bears also. I usually recommend having a 1 hour chart while executing the trade, and while observing the trade, you should have 4 hour chart in front of you. Now let's go to the possibility in a yellow metal gold. So right here is a chart for gold. It is also the 4-hour chart, and here I'm also giving the same way the three resistances and three supports having horizontal lines. And now let's look at the call. In gold call, my recommendation is staying short or adding up more short if it breaks below 1744.25. Staying short means if you are already in short, you can continue. And if you are not in short, still you can go short here, or you can go short on the strength. My short on the strength, the maximum limit is 1753 to 1755 area. If you find exhausting situation around this area, then fine. If you find bull's power in this area, avoid going short on the strength, because our long starts from 1759.25. If it breaks 1759.25, we'll go long. So if you find the metal with the recovery with the start of the new week, look into that, because we got a couple of resistances here, 1748, 1750, then 1753. So I'm highlighting the utmost possibility. Well, I don't see it's going more than 1753, but you cannot take things granted. You have to look into the possibilities. So understanding that, will chase the recovery and trying to follow the exhaustion. If we find exhaustion around 1750, 1753, we'll go short on the strength there. And if we find exhaustion around 1753 and 55, we'll go short on the strength there. The stop loss should be above 1759.25, which can be 1760. And remember that above 1759.25 will be going long. Now coming back to the real position, what it is more pointing on the bearish move, and that is by trading below 1744.25. So the target would be 1736.10. It can be more, but you have to focus on 1736. If you find more power in bears there, carry on with your short, but do not forget trailing a stop loss above 1736.10. Then following the next level of 1729. So traders, this is the best way to trade in the market, having a chart, having horizontal lines, drawing on by using the given levels. This gives you the real feel of the market. You can better understand and gauge the momentum of bulls and bear while in a live market. So I will be updating you more in future. Thank you for listening. Enjoy your trade. Bye. Guys, whoever interested to join our program for it's a free program for all those whoever is joining Pakistan Mercantile Exchange. And if you are trading in international market with international broker, you are still eligible to join us on our WhatsApp group. And to do that, you have a number there, 0345 619 0443, and you can subscribe the service, and there will be updating you on daily basis. And we are also supporting during the session. Thank you.